Objectives. By the end of the remediation program, the child will be able to accurately read unfamiliar grade level words, demonstrate correct pronunciation of new vocabulary words, and increased reading fluency.
Hi everyone, my name is Cherish Villadesma and I am with
Ariel Gamba.
and in this video I'm going to teach him on how to read. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay friends, I'm going to teach you how to read. I want you to read this passage here, okay? Okay, start.
Frogs lunch. Oh, one day a frog sat on a pan.
What's the sound?
Pan.
What is the sound of this?
Lele. Pan. Pan. Pa. Pan.
Sound, ano eh? Ano eh?
Di.
Say sound?
Da.
So,
Pan. Pan.
next.
Still as a rock, a fish swim
Say
by
sounds.
swam by. Hello, Mr. Frog. What are you waiting for? I am waiting for my lunch, said the frog.
The frog.
Frog,
Ano siya tuldok? Frog.
frog. Of good, of good luck, said the fish and swam away. Then a duck waddled by. Hello, Mr. Frog. What are you waiting for? I am waiting for my lunch, said the frog. Oh God, good luck, said the duck. And waddled
Say sounds
Waddled.
Good.
away. Then a bug
Say sounds ano eh?
come.
Say sounds ano yung ikaduha nga letter?
A.
Say sounds.
Ah.
So, saan siya? A. Say, saan siya ka letter? Dili, kini kaduha.
M.
So, saan siya pagbasa? K.
Came. Buzzing by. Hello, Mr. Frog. What are you doing?
Very good.
The bug. I am having my lunch sharp.
Say sounds ano yung first letter? Next. So, saan siya pagbasa?
Sharp.
Slo. Slurp.
Slurp.
Very good.
Slurp. Slurp.
Balik.
I am having my lunch. Sharp. Sharp.
So, unsay sounds aning second letter?
L.
L. So, sumpay ang S of O. Slow.
Slurp. Slurp.
Very good.
Said the frog.
Balik sa dare.
Sharp.
Sl.
Sharp.
No. Slow.
Slurp.
Slurp. Very good.
Said the frog. Mr. Frog slid it.
Unsay kaning sounds ano?
Mm.
Sma.
Smiled.
Smile. Very good. Ato yung lisod mo. Ay, kani. So, unsay siya?
As.
Has. So,
Ask. Ask.
ask.
Ask.
Very good. At least na nag-improve. Kini.
Sharp.
Slow. Itong ganito.
Darm.
Di ba siya? Unsay sounds aning last letter? So, slow.
Slurp.
Balik.
Slurp.
Very good. There siya.
Pond.
Wala na siya N. So, tagsa-tagsaon na to ang letter. Ang sound sa letter. Is sounds aning first letter. Second. So, sound na siya pag isumpay ang two letters.
Pond.
Dili sana to siya basaw na isa, kinisa.
Pa.
Then sumpay na to unsay sounds aning third letter.
D.
So isumpay ang pa ug d.
Pad. Pad.
Very good.
Sharp.
Nalimot na pud ka.
Sharp.
Say sounds aning first letter. Okay, first letter. Say sounds aning.
Sharp.
Okay, sounds. Ang next.
L.
So, unsa na siya pagbasa tanan?
Shelf.
Sl. Slow.
Slurp.
Say sounds aning last letter. So, basahon mo siyang slow, dayon na R og P sa last. Unsa siya? Slow.
Slurp.
Snarp. Very good. Balik ka sa kini.
Waddle. Slurp.
Very good.
Axe. Ask.
Ah,
Smile. Smile.
very good.
During the remediation program, there are words that he finds hard to pronounce and read. I encouraged him to repeat and point out the words he finds hard, and by doing it, he improves his reading, knows how to read and pronounce words such as ask and slurp, and learn new vocabulary words.
And that's all in this video. Thank you, friends. Nalingaw ra ka? Ha?
No.
Nalingaw. Super? Dagan kag nakatunan. Again, I'm Cherish Villadesma and
Prince Ariel Kwambot.
that's all. Thank you.